There you go.
here?
Okay,
Yeah.
I'm gonna move out of the picture.
Okay, ready?
Ready.
We just arrived. Okay, is it filming? We just arrived to Salt Lake City from Houston, IAH. The flight was great, much different than my first flight. The first flight, my pain was just off the charts. It took a lot of people to help me get off the plane and get on from this seat. Not this seat, but this Delta has just been amazing to fly with. And so I'm actually going to get up. They're going to film me walking off the plane, and then I've asked for the pilots to be able to be part of that video as well, because without their expertise, we wouldn't be here. And if we thought we only had a 50% chance of being here, we wouldn't have got on the plane. So, all right. While you're seeing this, it might look like I'm struggling pretty hard. You have to understand I couldn't even walk flying out to Houston. So the miracle that took place in Houston with our Sylvania team, and now the miracle of me being able to even walk out to the wheelchair is huge. We made history this week. And I'm just going to let the stewardess, thank you so much, Kara, is it?
Yep.
For going ahead. And,
Thank you.
They've asked if I actually want to sit in the pilot seat. You know, I've never done that. Would that be okay just really quickly?
Yeah.
Do you have the time?
Absolutely.
All right.
Yes.
Okay. So this is something I've never ever done.
Well, so really easy for you. There's a hand grip right here. You want to grab it over there and brace yourself on anything you're not going to break yourself. And if you just swing your left leg through there.
Oh, will you take this?
I sure will. You can grab a hold of anything you like.
I'm at 33% blood oxygenation.
Oh my.
Yeah, that's what's making this so hard. Wow.
It looks like you're doing a great job anyway.
This is pretty amazing. All of these knobs, devices, what would you call them? Levers?
A little bit of everything. Switches,
Yeah.
knobs, buttons, dials, rotary knobs. Yeah, this is Delta's newest aircraft, the Airbus A220.
Airbus 8220.
A220?
And I noticed that we were flying at an elevation at the highest was about 38,000 feet.
I believe we were close, yeah, about 36 today.
36.
Yes, sir.
And the fastest speed we were going was about 500.
Across the ground, yes, sir. It's probably around 500 knots.
500, yeah. This is amazing. This Delta has just been absolutely amazing to fly with. I have not flown since I actually went to Kona, Hawaii as a quadriplegic and tried completing the Ironman course there.
Wow.
Yeah, I was paralyzed many, many years ago from the neck down. I set the goal on my deathbed. So,
Well, if I could, sir, I'd like to present you with one of our cards. It's a A220 card. There's some statistics and some facts on the back about the aircraft. But that's maybe
Wow.
a token for your
thank
your
you.
flight.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And it's Chris. And
Kara.
you'll be able to
Yep.
see the other pilot. There wasn't room. I'm pretty big, and Chris is not quite as. He's more fit. Let's just put it that way. He's agile here. But thank you so much.
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
Very first time I've been in a cockpit of a plane, and definitely the very first time I've been in a plane since I came back from Kona and then had all the paralysis with COVID and with everything else we found out. So I'm going to ask you to take this again. I'm going to need help.
Absolutely.
In fact, I don't think I'm going to. Can I get you to put your arms like this? Just your.
Yes,
There
sir.
you go.
Try that?
Yeah. Because this is so tight, I need help getting up. Okay. Thank you.
All right.
Go ahead.
Go ahead first, sir.
Please. Thank you so much. And it's Chris, and the other pilot is
Bill.
Bill. Bill. Thank you so much. It was an amazing flight. It went fast. Well, I'll tell you, when you're in intense pain, it seems like you're on a plane for eternity. and when your pain is mostly taken care of, it goes faster.
Goes quicker.
So, alrighty.
Thanks for being here.
All right,
I'm
so-
gonna hop on the.
Happy to have you.
How are you doing today?
Good, thank you. These guys are patient. They're gonna take me now to the next gate where I'll wait for my last leg to Idaho Falls. So thank you so much. Appreciate it. Thank you, Kara.
Thank you. Thanks for being here with us.
Thank you.